Firewalls and intrusion detection system. So this is the second section. Let's talk about IDS with the help of a very beautiful diagram. So here you can see the intruder, and here you can see the firewall and IDS. IDS is nothing but intrusion detection system. All these two are the defense mechanism. Here you can also attach the IPS, no issues in that. So now firewall having the rule based data, it has the rules of database. Let's say if you have the Palo Alto firewall, there is Threadwall, which is the database of Palo Alto. Now IDS, intrusion detection system, having the signature based. Now what is the difference between signature and rules DB? So rule you can set up, right? You can set your rules and you can apply whatever the rules you want. Signature is already inbuilt, or the known signatures you can say. If there is some machine learning used or AI used, then it could be the behavior based signatures as well could be happen. But the signature based are those especially which are already known, so all those traffics can be detected by IDS. Firewall, on firewall, you can block specifics something if there is some malicious things you have detected in your organization, you can block on firewall. But IDS itself will block if we find any kind of malicious things related to its signature. So let's take a very beautiful example with the help of this one. So here is the intruder. Let's say is the attacker, which is generally an intruder, right? He sends some data. He sends some data and it's bypassed through the firewall. But IDS captured on the basis of signature as it defines it as a malicious. So what will IDS will do? IDS is not going to send this particular traffic to that particular user. It will block here, automatically block here because it based on the signature. So it is going to detect it. There is options to block it. That's why IPS comes there. That is intrusion prevention system. Uh, so it depends on the administrator. Here is the administrator. You can say they it maintains all the alerts. Which kind of alerts should go through, which kind of should alert should not go through. He manages all these firewall and IDS. Correct. So that's how actually the firewall and IDS worked. And you can see uh, here is the internet. You can say suppose here is the internet firewall, then IDS, then your all these switches, routers should be here, and the switches, APs, everything will be here. Now, firewall are digital guards for your network. That's we already have learned in the previous videos as well. They block unauthorized access while allowing legitimate traffic. Firewalls after filter incoming and outgoing data packets. Intrusion detection system. This one is very important. Monitor network traffic for suspicious activity. IDS alerts administrator if they detect potential threats, as I was talking about. So I was talking about this one, that they maintain the all the alerts, the administrator. Now firewall and IDS work together to enhance network security. Firewalls create a protected barrier like a security gate. IDS act as a digital sensors, alerting when something unusual happens. As I said, the anomaly behavior which I was talking in the first video. These systems help prevent unauthorized access and cyber attacks. They are essential components of network security in modern organization. So what we have learned in this particular section, that firewall and IDS is one of the is both both are the used for the network security. This is for the detection, and this is type of barrier where you can filter out all those things. Correct? So that's it in this section. Let's meet in the next video.